Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into a common but powerful preposition in English, according to. This phrase is used when we're talking about information coming from a specific source or when we're mentioning where an idea, statement, or fact originates. So when we say according to someone or something, we're essentially saying, this is what they say. Let's break it down with some examples. If you hear, according to the news, it's going to rain tomorrow, it means the information about the rain is coming from the news source. Or if someone says, according to my teacher, this is a useful study technique, they're referencing their teacher's knowledge or opinion on study methods. Now, let's look at a few synonyms that can often replace according to. In line with is one example. Instead of saying, according to the rules, you need to wear a helmet, you could say, in line with the rules, you need to wear a helmet. Another synonym is as per. So, according to the schedule, the train arrives at 5 p.m. could also be, as per the schedule, the train arrives at 5 p.m. Both phrases mean the same thing, but they can help add variety to your language. Now, let's think of an antonym to understand the opposite meaning. If according to refers to following or referencing something, contrary to can express the opposite. For instance, contrary to what people say, I think mornings are the best time to exercise. Here, you're going against popular opinion rather than supporting it with a source. In everyday life, you'll hear according to often. People use it to quote news, research, expert opinions, and even gossip. You might say, according to my friend, this restaurant has amazing pasta, or according to the weather app, it's sunny today. It's a great way to give context to what you're saying and show where your information comes from. Before we wrap up, here are a few more examples to get you comfortable with according to. According to the report, our team is on track. According to my family, that's the best vacation spot. And according to experts, a balanced diet is key to good health. As you can see, according to is versatile and fits in so many contexts. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you're now feeling more confident about using according to. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. It helps others find the show and keeps us motivated to bring you more. And here's a fun challenge. Create your own sentence using according to and share it in the comments. I can't wait to read what you come up with.